Brought in an iPhone Pro for repair. The client said that the glass itself burst. First we seal the camera so that the laser does not damage. And put on burning the rear window. If the laser is well adjusted, the cover will come off easily. The glass is very thick at this point, so you need to break the auto center punch. After the glass has been removed, you need to remove the old glue.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.